Smartphone all but killed standalone camera, but retro devices held a special appeal. This has some people go back to film cameras, others are digging out point and shoot cameras that are getting dust in their home for years, and others are still going for a Fox retro look. A while ago, Insta360 released several kits for the Insta360 Ace 2 Pro, the flash print bundle that has a pocket printer for a simulator Polaroid experience. Now the company is doing something similar. The new Insta360 GO 3S retro bundle replaces the digital action pod with a decidedly analog retro viewfinder. This is a passive dock for the 3S that adds a waist level viewfinder like the ones on old film camera, and it has a selfie mirror on the front. Insta360 went really for an old school look with this. The retro viewfinder doesn't itself do much. It has magnets to hold a camera in, while the viewfinder mirror are very simple. The goal is to let you slow down and take a more intentional approach to photography. Along with it, it has 11 built-in color filters, including 5 film styles. Once NCCC, GRF, Mono, and Vintage Vacation. There's exclusive film style filters, negative and positive film, plus a sticker filter. The NFC custom skin also allows you to quickly launch Insta360 app by tapping the camera to the phone. With the app, you can preview photos and video, edit clips, and adjust settings. The action board has more duties than the digital viewfinder remote control. It can also help charge the Go 3S battery. Insta360 has also included a battery pack with a bundle that doubles the camera battery life to 76 minutes of video recording. You can use it for a long day, or you can go without the battery pack, which keeps it smaller and lighter. You can use a magnet pendant to this so that you can shoot hands-free POV. Okay, that's not retro, but it enables even more modern uses. It is an alternative to the regular Go 3S package, not an add-on. You get the camera retro viewfinder, battery pack, NFC custom skin, the magnet pendant, and the strap, plus a pre-installed lens card and a USB Type A to Type C cable. There are two color scanners, white and canvas red, and two storage options, 64 GB for $250 or 120 GB for $270. This is cheaper than the regular Go 3S package, which is $350 for 64 GB and $380 for 120 GB. You lose the action pod with the retro bundle, however.